Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're going to be making up some baked beans. We're going to, they're actually some spiced up baked beans. We're going to cheat a little bit and show you how to make them taste like you made them homemade and slaved over them all day, and you don't got to tell anybody. But you're going to be needing a 28-ounce can. But if you're having a big gathering, of course, do two. This is for like 4 to 5 people, I guess. One can, the big, well, it's, this is a 28-ounce can. So we're going to have one of those. And here I have 5 slices of slab bacon. I'm going to fry this up till it starts to crisp up some, and just about when it's crisp, I like to add in 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and then saute it a few more minutes. But today I'm going to leave them out because I have a picky eater here today that's not going to eat onions. Or you can leave a, you know, put your few big circles on top and then just pull them off at the end. But this one I have, if they even see onion, they're not eating it, so I'm not putting them in at all. So this is slab bacon, 5 slices. I'm going to cook this up till it's crisp. Okay, guys. We had a discussion. He said, go ahead and put the onion in, so I'm just going to leave it in some big circles. That way he'll see them and pull them out. But we have our bacon slightly crisp. Like I said, this is slab bacon. If you use regular thin bacon, the original, I would go with 6 because it's thin and it's not gonna render you enough. Well, it will, but use what you want. I use 5 slab. It flavors it tremendously, so I stick with that. Okay, and I got 4 big circles of some onions here. Now to this, like I said, our bacon is slightly crisp. Now I'm gonna add the whole can of these beans. It smells so good, those onions and that bacon. We know what that smells like. Let me get a spoon. Okay, now we got that all in there. Smells so good, you guys. We're going to do a big tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 big tablespoon. I got 2 big tablespoons of some ketchup. Putting that in there. Right before you put it in the oven, just taste your sauce. I have 1 teaspoon of regular mustard. Maybe not quite a teaspoon. Maybe 2/3 to 3/4 of a teaspoon. Oh, and I have a 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of water. And a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm just going to stir this up. Now I'm cooking mine in my good old cast iron, my 10-inch cast iron. So this will go from here to the oven. I'm going to get this mixed up. Quick video, guys, but let me tell you, delicious. And we'll be back with the finished product. And we're going to get these in a preheated oven at 350 for probably a half hour until that sauce gets nice and thick and sticky, and you know how baked beans are. Probably half hour or so at 350. All right, guys, there they are. These baked for about maybe 25 minutes. I had some leftover bacon on the counter, a couple slices. I just threw those on there. You can never go wrong with, you know, more bacon. Well, of course you can, but it's just good. You're not going to eat the whole pan yourself anyway, so. But anyway, there they are, guys. I did turn the broiler on because I like to get that char on top, and it gets them more sticky. And if they get too thick, by the time dinner's ready, just add a little bit of water and stir them up and they'll be good to go. But till then, make everybody believe you did it yourself, you guys, because you actually did by adding more stuff in, right? But there they are. We'll see you guys later, and like and subscribe as always, and God bless.